extracting colors from an image can be incredibly useful, whether you need to build a color palette around a specific image or you need to find other media with similar color types. Let's see how Cloudinary makes it easy. So here I have a basic implementation of Cloudinary's upload, and inside of my project I have this cheeseburger. Now this cheeseburger is made up of many colors. I could be looking to make a color palette based on these colors in this image, whether it's the browns, the blacks, or even the reds, greens, or yellow from the actual cheeseburger. So by default, an image will just upload and won't return any of the colors. But if you want to know what colors are predominant in an image, you can pass down the colors object and set that to true, and then returned in the results will actually be the colors in the most dominant first, followed by the rest. And then you can use these to either build a color palette or find images with similar colors. So let's look at how this works when we upload. So what I'm going to do is do a console.table and put the results.colors because it's an array, and that should give us a nice printout where we can actually see what this image has and what colors are predominantly there. So here we have a list of all of the colors that are predominantly made up of this image. You can see there's about 21 based upon pixel density. So this color right here is black. This one is a brown color, and this is another dark black/gray. And if we go down to maybe this color here, we can extract it out and we can head over to Google and type hex and see what this color is. So we look up this color here, and it's this orangey color that looks like this. So if we go back to our project and look at this image, you can kind of see that this is made up around this section here. And we've got some in the burger as well. It's not quite the same color, but it's based upon the pixel density itself. So based upon all of that, I can now use this table here to start making my predominant colors into a color palette. So I could extract probably the top 5 colors here and use those to then drive either a color palette or finding images with very similar color schemes so that they look good on a page. Next up, we can do more color analysis, including testing for and simulating color blindness.